so darn hot. Oh my God. It's so hot. Where even am I? So hot. I don't even know where I am. But at least I have this drink. My best friend, Drinko. I'm so hot, I'm naming my drinks. Anyone? A single soul. It's so hot. I can't stop drinking. Oh. Anybody? Oh. Why is it so hot? What part of the equator am I? Help! Somebody! I'm burning up out here! Man, it's hot! How did it get so painfully hot? Somebody over there? Hey. Looks like there's some people over there. Yay! Finally! Me and my drink can go somewhere. Finally. Let me... Okay, this is good. Hello?
Hey, Loco!
Yeah.
I think there's somebody over there.
Yeah, let me know.
We should check it out, Loco.
Yuki. Hello. Hello. I'm a lonesome traveler. Do you know any town where I can get some cool air?
Nope. It's just nizzard now near. Yeah.
What?
It's just desert out here, man.
It's just all this.
Pretty much. Yeah. Yeah.
He doesn't know how to speak right.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, and a few nuffs of grass.
Why?
I don't know. Hey, do you want to take him to our town?
But you just said... Up. Near's Nate sounds snummer. Shh, can I see it?
Sure thing, fellow. Follow this.
Thank you.
Welcome to Brush City.
Mirror. Where am I? Like, where am I?
You're in Brush City, mate.
Yeah, you're in Rush City. Yeah. Is there any cool air?
For heaven's sake, no! It's just all heat out here, matey. Yes.
Hey, I see you out here.
Yeah, you know, aren't you?
Why y'all talk weird?
This is just how we speak.
So, well, can I go home?
Where do you live, sweetheart?
I live in some town or something with birds in it. Yeah.
Huh, there's a lot of towns with birds in it.
Yeah, but I don't know what it was called. Birdville or something?
You seem hot, matey.
I am. I brought some water. But it's not perfect. It's getting hot water. Is he new around here?
Yes, he sure is.
So, a brush pile in the middle of the desert is where you guys live? Where do you get your water?
We get our water from Old Squirter.
What's Old Squirter?
Old Squirter is a tale of a geyser, a magical geyser that squirts up heavy amounts of water.
What time?
Random times.
No one really knows. You seem like a bunch of hillbillies.
We are. We grow most of our produce. We can't go to the grocery store.
Okay. So, can I see this geyser?
Sure, it's a spring deep in the earth.
Can I see it?
Sure thing.
So where is it?
Deep in the heart of the desert.
How do we find that?
Well, there's a few ways to get there. I can show you. Here it is, Old Squirter.
That just looks like it's scraping the sand.
No, she'll be blowing. She'll be blowing.
When?
It's at random times. There's no real time. It does it in the summer a lot.
Well, it's like July, I think. Is that why it's so hot? Where am I? I don't even know what I've been doing. I've wandered in the desert so long.
Well, if you want a drink, here's Old Squirter, right here.
Yeah, I see it. It's not doing anything.
Just be waiting.
Okay. I'll wait over here.
Be careful and stay back. It can shoot huge projectiles of water.
Okay. Noted.
She be blowing! She be blowing, guys! She be blowing!
Finally! Is that it?
Yep. There she is.
How do you know it's a girl?
I don't know.
Whoa! That's kind of good.
This is where we get our water.
Cool. Whoa! She's going kablooey.
I know. It looks kind of like Australia right now. Stay back.
Whoa! That's absolutely crazy. Oh, wow. It's squirting everywhere.
Do you have a drink with you?
Yeah, I've kind of drank it all, and it's getting hot.
Here's cold water.
It is cold. From the center of the earth.
Yep. Oh. There it goes.
Whoa.
There she goes. Cruising down the hill. So do you want to stay?
Well, I want to go home.
Well, I don't need to know where you live.
I don't know. I think it's in the U.S. or something.
You're in the U.S., all right.
Where?
You're in the middle and the grand smack of Nevada.
How did I get in Nevada?
I don't know, but this water sure is great.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I don't know if we can get you home or not if you don't tell me where you live.
I don't know what it's called.
You don't?
No. What was that?
Sorry. We get our minds a little screwed due to the scorching heat.
I would like to go home, though. Nice town, but I'd like to go home.
Well, where do you live?
I live, someplace. I don't know what it's called. Birdville?
Well, we're in Bush City.
Yeah, this isn't really where I live.
What state is it in?
I don't even know. Maybe North Carolina?
Okay. I know who you need to see.
Who?
You need to see the Great Decision.
Who's the Great Decision?
The Great Decision.
Who?
The Great Decision is a being that lives in the deepest grasses of the desert.
There's grass here?
Yeah, there's some out in the prairie.
Some?
It comes in many forms.
Can I see them, please?
Sure thing. Here we are, we're at the edge of the prairie.
So this is where we're looking.
She be in there.
Why do you call everything she?
I don't know. He be in there, all right.
So what am I looking for?
He's a big gray being with large wings.
Okay.
Yes, loud wings, all right. He's gray with a black bandit's mask. A true figure of the old Wild West.
Where is he?
And up in the prairie. Yeah, I'll find him.
Okay, I'll go.
Be careful.
Of what?
Be very careful of the sand spurs.
Oh, now you tell me.
Good luck.
Okay. I'm looking for the Great Decider, I guess. What does he look like? Gray with a big mask. Or something. What is that? Oh, I think that's him right there. Are you the Great Decider? Yes, I am the Great Decider. Hey! Could you help me get home? Where do you live? I don't know, Birdville, North Carolina or something? Okay, I can take you thus. Please, jump onto my back. Okay, but first, you must say the 3 magic words. Please? Pretty, please? No.
The code of the prairies.
I don't know the code of the prairies. The code of the prairies? Nah, close enough. Get on my back. Okay. Whoa!
Gets hot out in the prairies.
Whoa! Thanks for doing this. You're welcome. I might get home at this rate. Wow, you're a fast flyer. I get that a lot. Okay, great. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, this is fast! Whoa! Whoa! Does this look right? Yeah, it does! This is my house. Thank you so much! You're welcome. Wow, the prairies.